If you are planning a trip to the beautiful city of Campbell and are looking for the perfect hotel to stay in, you're in luck. We've put together a list of 5 of the best hotels in Campbell City to make your decision easier. Let's take a look. First up, we have the DoubleTree by Hilton in Campbell, and this hotel is located in the Pruneyard Plaza. This hotel is located in the heart of Campbell and offers spacious rooms, a fitness center, and an outdoor pool. You'll also be just steps away from the Pruneyard Shopping Center, which offers plenty of dining and shopping options. The hotel also features a restaurant and bar, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of sightseeing. Next, we have the Courtyard by Marriott in San Jose, Campbell. This hotel is located just a few miles from downtown San Jose and offers comfortable rooms, a fitness center, and an outdoor pool. The hotel also features a bistro serving breakfast and dinner options. You'll also be close to the Los Gatos Creek Trail, which is a great spot for hiking and biking. If you have not already, please subscribe to our channel for daily content about the Bay Area and real estate. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a home here, please give us a call. If you're looking for a more luxurious stay, the Dolce Hayes Mansion is the perfect choice. This historic hotel features beautifully decorated rooms, a full-service spa, and a golf course. The hotel is situated on a sprawling estate and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area. Guests can also enjoy dining at the hotel's restaurant and bar or take a dip in the outdoor pool. The Larkspur Landing Hotel in Campbell is an all-suite hotel which is perfect for travelers who want a little extra space. The hotel offers spacious suites with separate living areas and full kitchens. The hotel also features a fitness center and a complimentary breakfast buffet. You'll also be just a short drive from the Winchester Mystery House, a popular tourist attraction in the area. And last but not least, we have the Towne Place Suites, San Jose, Campbell. This hotel is perfect for those looking for an extended stay. The rooms come with a full kitchen and living area, making you feel right at home. The hotel also features a fitness center and an outdoor pool. Guests can also take advantage of the hotel's complimentary breakfast and evening social hour. No matter which hotel you choose, you're sure to have a wonderful stay in Campbell. From the DoubleTree by Hilton to the Towne Place Suites, there's a hotel for every type of traveler. Book your stay today and experience all that this amazing city has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.